So a lot of drivers are switching their stuff. Matt, get your Pro Moto out.
Between one mistake,
Get your Pro Moto out.
one fuck up, and Julio, that's a clean ass race.
Dude, I was on the back of his car,
Dude, you were riding him. I couldn't believe it, man. I was like, man. That was wild.
Right there, yeah.
That was wild.
Matt, let's go. You're up.
Yeah, get your Pro Moto.
Let's go, Fernando.
What are you doing? Stop lagging. The bikes are up.
Brandon's got places to be, guys.
People to see.
Yeah, I feel you. Let's go.
Whenever you guys are ready.
Car run good at least, Kurt?
Yeah.
I mean, that's half the battle. You know that.
I just bought a brand new one, or not brand new, but
The driver's the other half the battle.
exactly.
So yeah,
the car's good. It's the driver that's not.
That's usually how it works. So that's good. You're doing well. You're doing well. That's what counts.
All right, all you ARMA guys that are not running Pro Moto, I need you to marshal, please. All you ARMA guys.
I say we do a rolling,
Marshall.
I say we do a rolling start. Yeah. Rolling start. Oops, sorry.
These are the fun guys. Should have brought mine, but I didn't.
Who else? Is that everybody's got a Pro Moto?
No, Matt's still lagging back there.
All right, looks like Ryan, Kurt, and Brett, you guys are going to be our marshals for this one.
It'll be a long time to figure out how to.
I believe you're the only ones that aren't crossed over into both classes. Henry, where's Henry?
All right, so these things are fun on this track. Here they come. They're already crashing too. Come on guys, let's get it together. Pro Moto class. Popping wheelies.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and start on the green bike. Here we go. Let's start us off. Get yourselves out. Do a rolling start. Everybody good?
And they're on the clock. Here we go. Pro Moto. There goes Ian. And Fernando. Here comes the rest of the pack.
Second, that taken third, he is Dorothy and fifth, and Fernando in sixth.
Pretty sick track for these things, man, I must say. Like, even though we had to put the Supermoto tires on them, the bikes handle the track pretty well. A couple people aren't running a front brake out here and are only running their motor brake. Others still have their front brakes engaged, so it really depends on different setups. Some people have also changed the gearing, the pinion gear, because the Supermoto tires are definitely smaller than the off-road tires.
Down, 4 to go. Cody Davis still in here, followed by Matt Jenkins in second. Fernando in third. Cody on a 12:01. Matt 12:04. Fernando 12:16. The fast lap of the race 26.5 by Fernando. Cody now is 1 second behind second place Matt Jenkins. Fernando 3.8 back behind that. It's a lot more fun to drive than a lot of watch. Halfway through, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes to go. Cody Davis, third leader, now with 6 seconds. Fernando in third. 1.3 back from that. He in front, he will follow Dave's first time out here. Fernando in second, Cody pushed all the way down to third. 1 minute to go. Matt 2.8 ahead of second place Fernando. Tony 8.5 back from Fernando in third. 35 seconds left. 26.8. He's back up there. Everybody keep going. And then we'll go. Tony with a big flip.
Alright, so that's the first qual of the Pro Moto class. We got one more qualifier to go, and then some mains, guys, so we'll be back with you here shortly.
Tony fourth, Dave Scott fifth, and Julio in sixth. Fast lap of the race was a 26.28 by Ian.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.